Welcome. In today's guide, we'll show you how to find all the live videos you've watched on Facebook by date using your PC. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Facebook by typing in facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile photo to open a drop-down menu. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down options. A new menu will appear. Click on Activity Log from this list. Now you'll see a section labeled Your Facebook Activity. Under this category, click on Posts to proceed. From here, locate and click on Live Videos you've watched. This will display a list of live videos you've previously watched on Facebook. To filter these videos by date, look at the top of the page and click on Date. A calendar or date range option will appear. Finally, choose the specific period you want to view. Once selected, click Save Changes, and Facebook will display all the live videos you watched during that time frame. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily revisit your favorite live videos or manage your watch history by date. Thanks for tuning in, and happy exploring.